In this video, you'll learn how to make a refreshing and nutritious 5-star rated juice using just 4 powerful ingredients: apple, beetroot, carrot, and cucumber. This ABC juice is naturally sweet, packed with antioxidants, and the best part, we're also turning the leftover juice pulp into a creamy, flavorful hummus, a smart way to reduce waste and add more nutrients to your meals. Let's start by gathering our fresh ingredients. Made with real, whole food ingredients, this plant-based raw juice is prepared in a blender and ready in just 5 minutes. Let's start with the first ingredient, carrot. We're using 2 medium carrots washed, peeled, and chopped. They add a light, fresh flavor and pair really well with the beetroot in this recipe. Next up, cucumber. It's super hydrating and adds a cool, refreshing taste to the juice. We're using half a cucumber, peel on for extra fiber and nutrients. It blends beautifully with the sweetness of apple and carrot, making the juice feel extra light and crisp. Now let's add an apple, sweet, juicy, and full of flavor. It balances the earthy taste of beetroot and ties all the ingredients together. We're using 1 medium red apple with the peel on. It adds natural sweetness, so you don't need any sugar in this juice. Next, peel the beetroot and chop it too. Let's take a moment to appreciate this deep red beauty, the beetroot. Beetroot is one of the only vegetables that can turn your hands and chopping board in pink. Yep, that's because of a natural pigment called betalain, which also happens to be a powerful antioxidant. Beetroot was once used as a natural hair dye and even a lip stain in ancient times. Finally, I'm adding a small piece of ginger for a zesty kick. And here are all our fresh ingredients chopped and ready to juice. Now we'll add all the chopped ingredients into a blender. For some extra freshness, I'm also adding a pinch of dry mint. It really lifts the flavor. Pour in about half a cup of water to help everything blend smoothly. Now just blend it all into a smooth, colorful juice. Next, we'll strain the juice to remove the fiber and get a smooth, refreshing drink. Don't throw away the leftover pulp. We'll turn it into creamy hummus at the end of this video. Now add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a tangy boost. And here's an important tip. Avoid adding salt, sugar, or pepper. These can reduce the nutritional benefits of this raw juice. And there you go. Your power-packed 5-star detox ABC juice is ready. It's an excellent post-workout drink, perfect after yoga, a brisk walk, or even a home workout. This juice helps restore energy and replenish nutrients. It's also kid-friendly and loved by adults alike. Now here's a mindful sipping tip. Don't gulp the whole glass down in one go. Instead, swish each sip in your mouth for about 5 seconds. This helps it mix with your saliva, which improves digestion and nutrient absorption. When we gulp too fast, the body misses out on many of the benefits. And now, let's take it a step further. We'll use the leftover juice pulp to make a delicious, nutritious hummus. Add the pulp and a few simple ingredients to a blender, blend it smooth, and your creamy hummus is ready. It's a smart way to reduce waste and add more fiber and flavor to your meals. Perfect as a dip, a spread, or even in wraps. And just like that, you've got 2 delicious, nourishing recipes from one simple process: a refreshing detox juice and a creamy, zero-waste hummus. Healthy, quick, and planet-friendly. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments how they turned out for you.